Now nak masuk setting baru, to bring in new setting. Old remote, new remote. How to put in, to copy this one into here. Macam nak copy sini ke dalam sini. Okay. First of all, tekan dua-dua ni dulu. Okay. Now tekan button ni. Nak duplicate button tu. Tekan ni and hold sampai dia blink. Then release. Done. Copy button 1. Now copy button 2. Copy button 2. Tekan this one. Press this one. Hold. Jangan lepas yang lama ni. Now release. Copy button 3. Kali ni button 3. Tekan ni. Then tekan ni. Hold. Sebelah kanan hold. Jangan lepas. Don't let go on the right hand side. Until blink fast. Then let go. Done. Last one. Press this button on the old remote. Tekan this button on the remote. Di flash. Hold. Don't release the right one. Now release. Done. That's how you copy. Okay. And then to reset. Let's say you want to reset. Again. Show you how to reset. This one is already can use lah. Lepas dah copy is done now. Let's say you want to reset again. Okay. To reset. You need to put this one away. Press both of these. Okay. Now release the right button. Lepas button sebelah kanan. And then tekan 3 kali B. Press 3 times B. 1, 2, 3. Reset is done. Okay, itu dia.